Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix the app you are trying to install isn't a Microsoft verified app. So to resolve this problem, click on Start Settings. Now here click on Apps. Now click on Advanced App Settings. Now choose where to get apps. Click on this drop down. Now select this option anyway but warn me before installing an app that's not from the Microsoft Store. Then close it and restart. So guys, now you will be able to install any application from outside of Microsoft Store, and make sure guys it's not recommended. So if you need, so you can select this option, one of them, these two options, but most of time and recommended is the select the Microsoft Store only. That's it. So thanks for watching and please comment this method work for you or not.